Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with MCQs on 12 types of inflation. I will ask questions and give you 7 seconds to answer. If you answer, then it's okay. Otherwise, I will answer the questions of MCQ. So, first question is, which situation best describes demand pull inflation? A. Rising cost of raw materials. B. Excess aggregate demand over aggregate supply. C. Decrease in money supply. D. Price controls by the government. Answer is B. Demand pull inflation occurs when demand exceeds aggregate supply, pushing price upward because demand is greater than supply. Second is cost push inflation. Cost push inflation primarily caused by increase in demand, B. decrease in import tariffs, C. higher production costs like wages and prices, D. improved productivity. Answer is rising production cost. Shift the supply curve left, raising prices and reducing output. Now question on built-in inflation. Built-in inflation is associated with expectations and wage price spirals. Is the option A. B is excessive investment. C is falling commodity prices. D is balanced budget. Answer is A. Expectations and wage price spirals. Workers demand higher wages because of past inflation. Firms raise prices, creating a wage price spiral. Now question about hyperinflation. What is hyperinflation? So question is, hyperinflation is best characterized by A. slow price increase under 2% annually. B. rapid runaway price increases often exceeding 50% monthly. C. stable currency value. D. controlled price increase. Answer is B. Hyperinflation denotes extreme and accelerating inflation that destroys currency value. It is greater than 50% monthly. Now question number 5, stagflation. Stagflation describes the simultaneous occurrence of a low inflation and full employment, B. high inflation, high unemployment and stagnant growth, C. deflation and economic boom, D. balanced growth and price stability. Answer is B. Stagflation combines slow growth with inflation and unemployment, challenging for policy. Now comes creeping inflation. Creeping inflation refers to a very low gradual rise in prices, B. sudden spikes in prices, D.